This recipe is so delicious, I make it 3 times a week. To begin, we'll chop 1 onion. Let's chop 1 carrot. In a pan, we'll put some olive oil and we'll fry the onion. Let's add the carrot. Now we'll fry 10 ounces of ground beef. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Let's add 1 tomato and half a cup of peas. We'll add pepper, salt, oregano, paprika, garlic, and half a cup of chicken broth. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of flour. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. Let's slice 1 potato. We'll move the meat to a dish, settle it, and put the potatoes on top. Let's leave it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And our delicious recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!
Hello friend, need a website for your business, organization, or personal use? We're here to help. Quality websites at affordable prices. Contact us today for your online presence.